Yeah, the experience has been fantastic. We've met a lot of very interesting people here at the air show. We've had the opportunity to pitch our company to a variety of people from a variety of places.
Hello everyone, my name's Josh. I'm the CEO and co-founder of SpaceForge. SpaceForge is an in-space manufacturing company, and we're building the world's first ever fully returnable and relaunchable satellite platform, the Forge Star. The reason we're doing this is to leverage the unique benefits of the space environment, microgravity, high purity vacuum and extreme temperatures, to create materials simply impossible to make on planet Earth. We then return those materials with a rather secret solution, more to be revealed with our first launch later this year, but it's best described as Mary Poppins from space.
The countdown is well and truly on at the county's new spaceport.
One of the satellites on board is the first to be fully designed and produced in Wales.